Hi guys, welcome to DCC NIT-A YouTube channel. So this is Mang Mahapatra. Hope you guys are doing well in your life. So guys, today we will be discussing the solution for question 1 that appeared on weekly content 365 on lead code. So let's start. So as you can read the question says as you are given a zero index array, we have to return the maximum value over all the triplets of indices if such triplets exist. Like if they don't exist, we can return like 0. If they give a negative value, we will return a 0. So what is the condition for the triplets? The triplets should be such that the location should be like this, like I should be less than j, should be less than k. Okay, I will be explaining you. The value of triplet or indices is equal to this big thing. Okay, so let's see the constants. Okay, here you can see the constants. The constants read as nums ka length, the length of the array can be less than equal to 100. What does this mean? This mean like n can be less than equal to 100. This means that we can use a time complexity, a brute force of n cube time complexity, right? We can use a n cube time complexity. So you can very well now understand that what we would do is, suppose we are given an array like this, 6 to let me take the example given there. Okay, what is it? It's 12 6 1 2 7. 12 6 1 2 7. 12 6 1 2 7. Wait a second. Yeah. 12 6 1 2 and 7. So we can do a n cube solution, right? So we can make like a brute force solution where we would travel to each of the triplets like 12 6 1. We would see if this is it would give the maximum. Then we would go to 12 6 2. Okay, and then we'll go to 12 6 7, right? And we would see which would give the maximum sum. So where maximum, you have seen that uh, condition that reads about like this one. So this is the expression for which we would be requiring the maximum solution. So now I would be showing you the solution, and it will be very clear because it's a very brute force solution. So what we did is we took three loops, like one from n, the second one from I plus 1, third one from j plus 1, because we have to take triplets, right? And they has to be like fulfill this condition, because of which we took like this. Then we simply did this one key int sum. We just speak about it, sum is equal to num I minus num j, right? And if sum is greater than 0, we like mx is equal to maximum of mx and that expression. Why we did this? Because we want the maximum value of the triplet, because of which we did this. Then we would simply return the answer. So this is how you can solve this solution. So if this video was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to DCC NIT-A YouTube channel. With this, bye bye, take care.